Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Teacher Mhea. If you're just new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to be part of the conversation. So today's vlog, I will show you on how to put ads on your videos. Okay, so if you've watched my previous vlog on how to apply for monetization in YouTube and how to set up the Google AdSense, this is now the continuation. So without further ado, let's get started. If you already received the email saying congratulations, your YouTube Teacher Mhea Vlogtorial has been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program and is now able to monetize on YouTube. It doesn't mean na automatic na nagkakaroon ng ads ang ating mga video. That is why in this vlog, I will show you on how to put advertisements in our videos. If you're using a smartphone, go to Google Chrome. Then click the three dots. Select Desktop Site. Then select YouTube Studio. Since I'm using a desktop computer, it looks like this. Let's go to Channel Dashboard. Just a quick recap after na-monetize ang channel natin, naiiba rin ang itsura niya. And it looks like this. Click muna natin ang monetization. Let's click Learn More. We can see here the policy on how to earn money on YouTube. I would like to congratulate my channel, of course, because we are now accepted in the YouTube Partner Program, and one of the main reasons to have a revenue in YouTube is to put advertisements in our videos. But just a heads up guys, na hindi ganun kalaki ang kita sa advertisements. Huwag ma-frustrate. To have an idea on how much revenue you will earn after monetization, kindly watch the video until end. And for those viewers who just get monetized, let's go back on our channel analytics. Let's click Analytics. So you can see here that another column was added, which is the revenue. So we have here your estimated revenue. Para magkaroon yan ng laman, let's start adding advertisement, and of course it's in dollar. Let's get started. So let's click our content. So you can see here that there's an additional column, monetization column, and in dollar sign, of course. And it's not monetized yet. And you will notice here that it's still off. Next step is to turn it on. So actually guys, pwedeng isa-isahin. So again, there's a short method in that. So we will just click on this box, so select all. Okay, after selecting, click Edit, then choose Monetization. On the drop down arrow, just select On. Then don't forget to click the Update Videos button, which is located on the upper right of the screen. You're about to update the selected. This update cannot be stopped once it has the error. Click the check button and update videos. So it will take a while guys kasi ina-update pa lahat ng ating mga videos. So after clicking the update videos, you will see here that So when we click on the monetization tab, makikita natin na lahat ng video ay naka-on na. And it it says here, this video is being monetized. Hindi pa dito natatapos guys ang paglagay ng video kasi we can manage on which part of the video that you want that the ads will be displayed. Okay, so under channel content, just select the video, then click the $sign. There are 5 types of ads like display ads, overlay ads, sponsored ads, skippable video ads, and non-skippable video ads. Then may makikita pa kayo dito na location of video ads, either before the video or during the video. So you can see here guys na may check na lahat. So it means naka-default na lahat at huwag na nating baguhin. And for the location of video ads, so yung highlighted lang dito is during video. So before I will show you on how to manage ads during video or mid-roll, so click lang muna natin yung analytics. So makikita nyo dito guys kung ilan yung views, watch time hours, at kung ilang subscribers and your estimated revenue. So since bago lang to, so that is why wala pang revenue na naka-display dito. This time, I'll show you on how to put ads on your newly uploaded video. Click the create button. So this is my newly uploaded video. It takes an hour to finish the upload kasi meron ng monetization part. Actually, check kung may issue o wala ang video. Click the next button. On the monetization tab, click the drop-down arrow. Then select on. Click done. So you can see here the different type of ads. Yung may mga highlight guys, it means ayan ang mga ads na makikita natin sa video na upload mo. So ito yung mga ads guys na present sa aking video. Yung may mga check lang. So there is overlay ads, sponsored cards, skippable video, and non-skippable video ads. So location of video ads before video, pre-roll, during video, mid-roll, and after video, post-roll. After you uploaded your new video, so ito na yung lalabas guys. Okay, so details, monetization. So we have here checks complete, no.